DJ Delz.
Alright, so we are at the house and you see what we got. We got the Scrooge McDuck 10-inch Target exclusive. Next to it, we've got the 2017 Fall Convention exclusive. Basically the same thing. The one difference I see right off the bat, let me zoom in, is the glasses. The glasses on this one is translucent. This one is not. I don't understand why they didn't do that. It would have looked so much better if the eyes were right, but they did not do that in this case. Let's take them out the box, and please make sure to hit the thumbs up button for giving you that out of the box detailed look. There you go, with a look at both out of the box. And as you can see, the glasses, you can see through his glasses, which was something that I really dig, that it was translucent here, like a real pair of glasses. Versus on the giant sized version, no translucent. It's this, I don't know what color to describe it as. It's like a bluish gray. I just feel like they were kind of slacking when they made this. Besides that, it looks fantastic. I mean, it really looks great. And out of the box, I mean, look how great it looks. Retail of this is $29.99, Target exclusive. You can only get this at Target. So if you're wanting this, head over to your Target and hopefully you'll have some luck. If there's any link to buy online, I will put in the description box below for your convenience. And let me show you the bottom too for people that care about that. The information on the bottom, there you go right there. It says Disney Funko LLC 2018, and then it has the website funko.com, made in Vietnam, with a serial number right there. Curious about the bottom of this one. It's just plain. I love this right here. This one was one of my favorite pickups when I bought it last year. Let me give you a side view. There's a side view, and then let me turn him around. I love how his tail is in the back, you know? I think that's great. How his tail is just sticking out with all them gold coins. It's an awesome pop. Awesome, awesome pop. I think they could have made it a little taller. That's the one thing I gotta say. I think they could have made him a little taller. A little bigger. Because I'm looking at some of my other 10 inches, and it looks like these are taller. The other ones here. And I'm looking for the Groot. I really want the Groot 10-inch. I never was able to lock in on that. If anyone has one, let me know. I've got tons of Funko Pops available for trade. Hit me up over at Real DJ Delz on Instagram or Delz Toy Show on Instagram. If you didn't see yesterday's video, we talked about the upcoming Deadpool Marvel pack, and it's pretty exciting. I definitely ordered it, so definitely check out that video. I put more information on that. And also, Funko Pops I am dying to find is this chase right here. To Triple H, huge WWE guy. I need the chase of this one, and I need the chase of Mr. Vince McMahon. I need both of these, so if anyone can help me find those chases, wants to do trades with me, please hit me up. I've got Funko Pops available for trade also, including chases, so just hit me up. Let me know what you dig. Look in the description box below, and I will list a bunch of new releases that you can pre-order now, and from a lot of these sites, they promise they will come in mint condition, so check out the list below, and hopefully we'll be able to help you guys out with locking some of your Funko Pops. I know there's a Betty Boop that's going to be available soon, and you have the chance of getting the chase. Sometimes ordering online, you get a better chance of getting the chase. So definitely check the listing in the description box below for your convenience. And if you haven't thumbs up the video, please do so, for giving you that out-of-the-box detailed look / comparison right there. I don't know if anyone has done it yet on YouTube, but regardless, I'm thankful that you're here watching this video. Everyone happy hunting out there. Also, I'm looking for the Monster Jack. That is another one I really want to get my hands on, if anyone can help me with that one too. Leave your comments in the box before I forget. Let me know if there's anything you're looking for that I can help you with, or maybe someone else out there can help you with by reading the comments. And that's it for today's video. If you're just hanging out here, please watch yesterday's, and we out.